What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. In today's video, I'm about to tell you all how much I paid for my Acura Integra Type S. So this is the 2024 model year, first year they came out, and a lot of people have been wondering in the comment section, how much this guy paid? How much over MSRP did he pay? So I'm about to get into that in this video. And I'm at City of Cars this morning filming this one, so shout out to City of Cars. This is where my M2 is being sold at. My former M2, they bought it from me, so it may or may not be available for sale, so check them out, cityofcars.com. So this is it. This is the car that I've been lusting after, even though I made the video saying that it was a horrible move by Acura. They dropped the ball, but still wanted one, and I ended up getting one, so I'm happy about that. But was it worth what I paid for it? So I still think these things are overpriced, even at MSRP, but man, you gotta pay to play. And just taking a walk around the car next to the wall. But man, I just love this car, just the looks alone, and then they add the performance, because I really love my A-Spec Integra, but just to get more power and these visceral looks, I just had to have this thing, and I finally got one. So let's talk about the numbers. So before I get into the numbers, I want to give a shout out to the men of culture. We got Blueprint 1 LE, Race Car Friends, 100 Gang Nate. So y'all got cars similar to these, nice cars, manuals. So go check out their channels. They're in the featured channel section on my page. But let's get into those numbers. Manufacturer suggested retail price, better known as MSRP. So the MSRP for this car is $50,800. But since I got platinum white, that came at a $600 upcharge. And then we have destination and handling, which is $1,195, bringing the total price of MSRP to $52,595. And that's all I paid. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Just kidding. As I mentioned before in the other videos, this is the demo model, and the demo models are the ones that the dealership gets on order because they want to showcase all the special features, all the bells and whistles. And as you can see, my thing is pretty much loaded out to the gills, so I'm gonna pay a little bit more than MSRP, maybe more than a little bit more, but let's get into those numbers. The first option I'm about to go over, the 19-inch bronze alloy wheels, or copper. I don't know, they say copper and bronze. The website and this paper that I'm going off of, which is Acura's paper, and then we also got like every single option in price, they don't match up exactly. So the website is telling you how much the part is. The sheet that I have here is going to tell me how much the part is installed, because you can get these things, but you're not going to get them at cost unless you just buy them without getting them installed, which you probably could do. But since I got the demo, everything was already installed, so I didn't have no wiggle room on that, so it is what it is. But these 19-inch bronze wheels, $2,670.59 installed. And with that, I did get to keep my stock set of wheels, so I got the wheels at home. And I do got a couple other accessories as well, and I will be selling a couple accessories, so I brought a couple of them with me. I'm not selling my extra wheels because I need another set for the winter time, but I am selling a couple of the other accessories. So I do have a stock shift knob, and this will stop you from burning yourself. I'll get to the upgraded shift knob, which is titanium, but this is the stock one, got a nice weight to it. And I also got the stock steering wheel. Shout out to City Cars once again. But the stock steering wheel, this one comes with the perforation on it, and I have an upgraded steering wheel, but this is the stock one, never installed, so there we go. I also had a stock black spoiler. It's just gloss black, so I won't be using that. So if you're interested in any of these, the shift knob, well, not the shift knob, because I might keep that, the steering wheel or the spoiler, send me a DM on Instagram, same name, QT Chaotic. Also, the installation and the TPMS monitors, those were $121. I also got these carbon fiber mirror caps right here, and those were $747.50. I got these illuminated door sills at nighttime. They're bright and white and shine, Type S, for the front, back, driver, and passenger. So it's illuminated to say Type S. Those little heifers cost me $1,176.70, and that's the installed price. We got this front Acura badge that's illuminated. That was $684.40. See, like online it says like $600, but like I said, the installation price is more because they got to run wiring. This thing illuminates when the car's on. I think it looks pretty cool. Some people think it's cheesy, but I like it. Would I have ordered it without them? No, probably not, but it's cool to have. Like I said, I got the demo. I wouldn't have got those door sills either. But coming around to the back of the car, had to pay for this gloss black emblem in the back. And this 1A back here, that was $171.60. These black Type S badges got on the driver, passenger, and I believe it accounts for this one in the back. Those three little heifers cost me $420. Also got premium carpet mats in the back seat. Got like red stitching around it. It's pretty thick carpet. Then in the front seat, it's got Type S on the side of it, red stitching. It is a plush carpet. That carpet was $287.70. Alcantara steering wheel. So y'all know I love my heated steering wheels, and I still didn't get one. But with the Type S, I would have to go back down to an A-spec steering wheel. And I kind of wanted to set myself apart and get something exclusive to this by either the other one I just showed y'all back there that I'm selling, the perforated one. If I get tired of this one, I'll go back to it. But the Alcantara on here is really soft, really nice. And the heated steering wheel was like $400 more than this. So this steering wheel was $580.30. So I looked at the price of the install heated steering wheel is like $910 or something like that. So yeah, I decided to keep this one. Not because of the price, but just because it's Alcantara. I kind of like Alcantara a lot. The tailgate spoiler. Now this is carbon fiber like I mentioned earlier. I think it gives the car a little bit of pizzazz, looking like a Batwing or a Batarang, Batamarang. I don't know, Batman's a crappy superhero to me. Fight me in the comment section. But this thing right here, $1,385.38. So I think it gives it a nice, it flows nicely with the vehicle, with the mirror caps and things of that, the diffuser. So it looks good, and I like carbon fiber, so that's something I probably would have added myself. And the wheels too, absolutely the wheels. The wheels were like the number one thing I wanted. Valve stem caps that say Type S. I'm literally just finding out that I had these, but I'm looking at this sheet right here. I got them. They were $53.70. I would definitely had not gotten these because I don't pay attention to things that small, and I got 4 of them, so there's that. And the last thing on here, I got wheel locks, black wheel locks, so those were $149.40. So if somebody tries to take off the wheels, you need a special key lock to take those off. And yeah, now that I'm down here, I think I want like a red Acura sign in there, something different, but this will do because it's got chrome down there. I kind of don't have chrome on the car at all, so I think I should change that. And I think black would be too dark, but I don't know. I think black with the red Acura sign would be cool. So that's all the numbers. I'm not about to add all that up. I'm about to just tell y'all what I paid because that's a lot of numbers and I ain't got time for that. You do the math if you care that deeply about it, but let's get into the numbers of what I paid. So the price of my 2024 Acura Integra with all these options installed takes it up like $6,000. So my total went from that $52,500 to $58,595. So all those glorious options bumps the price up just a little bit. And then we got a $260 document fee, $24 trade or a title fee, filing fee. MSRP, the question of the hour. How much did I pay over sticker for this thing right here? Because some people were guessing $10,000, $15,000, $5,000. As Hunter Gang Nate say, look me in my eyes. I paid no dealer markup. I paid MSRP, so I didn't get taxed on here. Consider that lucky, I guess. I still think the car is overpriced for what it is, especially with all the options, but I didn't have to pay a tax on a tax, so consider that. So no MSRP, yay. All right, now let's get into the taxes of this. Taxes on here is $3,563.74, and that brings my grand total to, drum roll please, $62,442.74. So before I get to monthly payments, let's talk insurance. So my other Integra left the day before this arrived, so I ended up just canceling the insurance on that Integra and adding this Integra to the policy. So there was a $60 increase for the year, so that's $5 a month. And then I think the other Integra was like $120 or $130 a month. Insurance varies by state, so that can be a huge variable. $120, $130 a month, that's what I'm paying on this. $5 more a month on over the Integra A-Spec. All right, this is the part where everybody's been waiting for, the monthly payments. And this is where people tend to lose their horse pucky on this. But what I pay per month on this, I'm doing the same thing I do with every single car that I get. So finance through the same bank, I'm doing the same term. The interest rate is different. So I'm doing 83 months because I don't have to pay more in the interest rate to go 83 months. If I go to 84 months, it goes up. If I were to go 60 months, it's the same interest rate. So that interest rate on here, which hurts me so bad, is 6.24%. So definitely gonna be looking to refinance once the rates drop back down. And the monthly payment on this is $934 a month. Damn, that is a lot, but gotta pay to play. That's what the numbers work out to be on the 2024 Integra Type S with pretty much every option. You can go even more crazy with the options, but that's how the dealer loaded this one up. Take it or leave it. For me, I took it. So in case anybody's wondering, as always, I put zero down. I don't put money down on these cars. Why? I just don't. I feel like my money is better off being invested, but I'm going to drop a whole other video on that because people think I do illegal things. So it's a whole other video coming up. But I got so many other videos lined up that I got to do before that. I ain't even gotten to the Corolla GR yet because people keep asking about this car. So I had to stop what I was doing, bought a new laptop, new software. So hopefully this video turns out to be A-okay, perfection like I want it to be. So taking the editing to another level. And yeah, hope you all enjoy. But I had to just drop this video now, and I got 2 videos lined up, but I had to stop just to get this video out the way so I can, hopefully it controls the comments, because people keep guessing and the prices are all over the place. Like some people thinking I'm paying like $80,000, $70,000, but that's it, $62,000 in finance. That's my story. That's what I chose to do, how I chose to finance the car, what I paid. There's that. You don't have to wonder anymore. No more assumptions. It is what it is. It's not even abstract anymore. It's concrete truth. So there you have it. Hopefully you all learned something. If you want to get one of these, just put your bid in the ring, because it's going to be a little minute before you can get one, because these things they take a while to get through. I think I got like the first one in Michigan, and it's been out for a month or two, about a month. So I got this car 30 days for the demos. You can't buy them until 30 days afterwards. When I got the Corolla or the GR Corolla, people were thinking like, oh, he's not getting that. But I put the deposit down on this as soon as I was able to. But you can't buy a demo vehicle for 30 days. And people were wondering like, oh, they were probably beating all on it. My car had 4 miles on it when I bought it. So nobody drove the car but me and the service manager, because they come with a couple miles on it when they leave the factory. And that's it. It's just me and him. Hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. Hopefully I removed all the questions, answered all the questions you got. If you got more questions, let me know. Drop a comment. I'm Q, checking out. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.